Hello, my wonderful listeners. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Amira's English Learning Podcast, where we make learning fun, easy, and engaging. I'm your host, Amira, and today, I have something special for you. If you know these 15 words, your English is truly amazing. Yes, you heard that right. These words will help you sound natural, fluent, and confident in English. They are not just any words, they are powerful, expressive, and commonly used by native speakers. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Rocket. 1. Versatile. Memo meaning, having many uses or being adaptable to different situations. Example, a smartphone is a versatile device because you can call, text, take photos, and browse the internet. Another example, she is a versatile actress who can play both comedy and drama roles. More usage, olive oil is a versatile ingredient used in cooking, skincare, and even medicine. Electric light bulb tip. Try using versatile to describe your own skills. For example, I am a versatile employee who can handle multiple tasks. 2. Intricate. Memo meaning, very detailed or complex. Example, the artist painted an intricate design on the vase. Another example, the clock's mechanism is intricate and requires careful handling. More usage. The book's plot was so intricate that I had to read it twice to fully understand it. Electric light bulb tip. Use intricate when talking about puzzles, art, or architecture. 3. Resilient. Memo meaning, being able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, even after losing the match, she remained resilient and trained harder. Another example, the town was hit by a storm, but the resilient people rebuilt it in no time. More usage. Children are often more resilient than adults when adapting to new environments. Electric light bulb tip. Think about a moment in your life when you were resilient. Try using the word in a personal story. 4. Exquisite. Memo meaning, extremely beautiful or elegant. Example, the chef prepared an exquisite meal for the guests. Another example, she wore an exquisite dress made of silk and pearls. More usage, the museum showcased an exquisite collection of rare gemstones. Electric light bulb tip. Use exquisite to describe food, fashion, or special moments in life. 5. Tedious. Memo meaning, boring and repetitive. Example, filling out long forms can be a tedious task. Another example, he found the lecture tedious because it was too long and uninteresting. More usage, learning a new language can feel tedious at first, but it becomes enjoyable over time. Electric light bulb tip. Try replacing boring with tedious to sound more advanced. 6. Serene. Memo meaning, calm and peaceful. Example, the view of the ocean at sunrise is so serene. Another example, after a stressful day, I love sitting in my garden, enjoying the serene atmosphere. More usage, meditation helps me achieve a serene state of mind. Electric light bulb tip. Try using serene to describe your favorite relaxing place. 7. Diligent. Memo meaning, working hard and with great effort. Example, he is a diligent student who always completes his homework on time. Another example, diligent employees are often rewarded for their hard work. More usage, a diligent researcher never stops asking questions. Electric light bulb tip. Describe yourself or someone you admire as diligent. 8. Spontaneous. Memo meaning, done without planning. Example, We took a spontaneous trip to the beach last weekend. Another example, his spontaneous jokes always make us laugh. More usage, she made a spontaneous decision to study abroad, and it changed her life. Electric light bulb tip. Challenge yourself to do something spontaneous today and describe it using this word. 9. Eloquent. Memo meaning, speaking clearly and persuasively. Example, the speaker gave an eloquent speech at the event. Another example, she is an eloquent storyteller who captivates her audience. More usage, his eloquent writing style made the novel a bestseller. Electric light bulb tip. Listen to a TED Talk and notice how eloquent the speakers are. 10. Pristine. Memo meaning, completely clean or in perfect condition. Example, after the storm, the air felt fresh and pristine. Another example, the hotel room was pristine, with everything neatly arranged. More usage, hiking through the pristine wilderness was a breathtaking experience. Electric light bulb tip. Try using pristine to describe nature or something brand new. 11. Jargon. Memo meaning, special words used in a particular field. Example, legal jargon can be hard to understand for most people. Another example, medical jargon can be confusing if you're not a doctor. More usage, every industry has its own jargon, which can make learning a new job challenging. Electric light bulb tip. Learn some jargon from your favorite hobby or job. 12. Meticulous. Memo meaning, very careful with great attention to detail. Example, the designer was meticulous in creating the wedding dress. Another example, a meticulous researcher checks every detail before publishing their findings. More usage, her meticulous planning ensured that the event went smoothly. Electric light bulb tip. Use meticulous to describe perfectionist. 13. Witty. Memo meaning, clever and funny. Example, she always has a witty response to any joke. Another example, his witty remarks always entertain the crowd. More usage, the comedian's witty sense of humor made everyone laugh. Electric light bulb tip. Try making a witty comment in a conversation today. 14. Reluctant. Memo meaning, unwilling to do something. Example, he was reluctant to try new food, but he ended up loving it. Electric light bulb tip. Think of a time you felt reluctant and describe it. 15. Profound. Memo meaning, very deep or meaningful. Example, her words had a profound impact on my life. Another example, the movie had a profound message about love and sacrifice. More usage, philosophy deals with profound questions about existence and reality. Electric light bulb tip. Use profound when talking about powerful experiences or emotions. Final thoughts. Wow! If you know these words, your English is already at an advanced level. But remember, knowing them is just the first step. Try using them in conversations, writing, and daily life. Here are some ways to practice. Use them in a sentence every day. Write a short story or a paragraph using some of these words. Listen to native speakers. Notice how they use these words in movies, podcasts, or books. Play a game. Challenge yourself to use at least 5 of these words in a conversation today. Teach someone else. When you explain a word to someone, you remember it better. Write a diary entry. Describe your day using at least 3 of these words to improve your fluency. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning these powerful words. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friend. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.